What's up, YouTube? Finally back with another video. I know it's been a minute, but I've been busy. I had to handle some little business, doing a contract work with this job. But I'm back trying to drop videos every week now. But this video, we're gonna talk about a little bit about me, who I am, and how I became a web developer in 4 months. So yeah, starting off, just jump right into it. I knew HTML and CSS back in high school. My junior year, I took a HTML and CSS class there. Aced it, loved it, but I didn't keep programming after that class. I was young, ignorant, and dumb. But yes, I aced it and just left it alone. Fast forward to November 2016. I had quit my job because they was relocating to Alabama, and I didn't want to move, especially to no damn Alabama. So I quit, and ironically, that same day, I seen an ad for Team Treehouse. I think it was on YouTube. I seen an ad for Team Treehouse, and I thought back to myself, I remember loving to program. So I signed up for the 7 day free trial, and I took the front end course, and I loved it. I flew through it because I already knew HTML and CSS. I just had to learn um, responsive design and jQuery. So I did that course over and over and over. I actually completed it in a month. But I just did that course over and over and over for the next 3 months. So that was from November to December. Oh yeah, November, December, January. Yeah, February. All right. So yeah, I did it all the way to February, and that's when I actually built my portfolio site. Was in February. Um, yeah, I see my scarf, and just call me Do Rag Daddy. Uh, but I did that all the way to February. I'm just doing the course over and over, trying to perfect my craft. And in February, I built my portfolio site, just basic HTML, CSS, and jQuery, nothing special. I had a few projects on there as well, but that that portfolio was what ended up helping me getting a job a month later in March. Um, I seen a job posting on Indeed for web developer. They was asking for at least a year experience. I only had 3 months really of experience, and I was learning, but I still applied, and I had my portfolio on my resume, so they was able to see that. And I went in for the interview, and they actually told me, we see your website, we like what you did, we understand that you just started, but we see your progression already, and they hired me on spot. So that was my first position, actually my only position as a web developer. That was from 2017 of March to September. I ended up leaving for an internship, working on Java, working with Java. Um, Came back in November of 2017 and ended up freelancing, and that's what I'm currently doing right now. Now, ever since I got my first job, every day, I was participating in 100 days of code. So that's another way how I got my position in 4 months. Um, Even before I got my position, I was participating with 100 days of code and studying every day. So my advice to new developers that's looking to transfer to web developer, or self teach yourself and get into this career, is definitely study every day. Master HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Don't even mess with jQuery yet. Just master HTML, CSS, and pure JavaScript. Build you a portfolio. Then you can start messing around with jQuery and React and stuff like that. You can use Bootstrap when you're learning CSS too, but learn CSS first before you jump into Bootstrap. Um, yeah, so master those three. Build your portfolio, and then make some projects, whether it be a freaking generic as to do app like everybody does, a calculator, uh, a Netflix clone, whatever the fuck you want to do, really. I'm not trying to be mean, but do what you want to do. Just build something that your future employer can see, and make sure that they can see your progression as you go on. So yeah, build those projects, participate with 100 days of code. Um, Make sure you take advantage of Udemy sales. That's a big one. Udemy has sales like every month for like $10 for all their courses. That's the only time I buy Udemy courses, is when they have a sale. Other than that, they cost like $50, $60. $100. Hell nah. Why would I pay for that when they, a week from later y'all gonna charge $10? So stack up on courses as well. Buy those, go through them. Even if you know HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, buy a front end course. Just go through it, see if you learn something new. Sometimes that course might even talk about like animations. I still don't know animations like that. I'm not good with animations. I don't really like animations, but I see a lot of companies, asking for animations, and I see some things you can do with, like HTML Canvas and stuff like that. I am interested in learning how to like build objects with HTML and CSS. I kind of know how to do it, but I don't know how to do it. That makes sense. So I do that. And also meetups. That's my last advice. Um, Go to meetups, listen to people talk, listen to their advice. Try to network, try to get a mentor or even another developer that's in the same boat as you, and link up and study together, or even build products together. Ooh, excuse me. So it's a little short video. I am trying to make videos every week now, weekly. I'm busy. I'm not busy right now. Ooh, damn. I'm not busy right now. I'm free. So I'm looking to dive into YouTube and communicate and network with the YouTube community and you guys and help you as well. This channel is not gonna be just about programming. It's gonna be tips, tricks, uh, life lessons. Cause I've been through some fucked up situations, but I made it through. I kept my head up. So be on the lookout for my videos. Subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.